you managed to, in a way, 20x your original capital from $100 to over $2,000 worth of profits. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct. Because Callisto, they teach everything for free, and then I find their strategy is profitable. And then you guys also teach both retail and also abstract concepts like ICT. Let me check. $200-300
Over a span of
1 day.
$200-300 in one single day, and
Yeah.
you're a student right now.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing, bro.
Cannot snipe in CSGO, can snipe in charts can already. I'm Shawnee, so as you all know lah, I've been trading since July, August, so about 3 to 4 months. Yeah, so my most recent withdrawal is about 100 because I want to compound my account lah, pretty much.
And you draw $100. So just to put things into perspective, okay, what kind of capital do you start off with?
I start out with $100.
$100. And where
Yeah.
is how much withdrawals have you made already?
I've made at least about 1K plus withdrawals so far.
From a $100 capital.
Yeah,
Okay, and right now your account balance is
1K plus.
1K plus. Wow,
Roughly.
amazing. Okay, wow. So essentially, Shawnee, you managed to, in a way, 20x your original capital from $100 to over $2,000 worth of profits made. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Do you mind sharing with all of us how do you manage to do all this? Is there any specific strategy you follow? Is there any tips that you follow, so and so forth, to get to 20xing your account with a small capital size?
So at first it was I paid for a mentor. So the mentor was pretty shit lah. Then I stumbled upon Callisto through TikTok. So I started watching Nick when he was streaming, and then it became William. So I found William's strategy quite easy to use lah, quite easy to learn, quite easy to use. So I keep trying forward testing and actually going into real trades, and that actually made me quite profitable lah. So that's what I have been sticking with, which made me most of my profits lah.
Oh, okay. So mainly is by you attending the live streams, okay, and just following the trade signals, and of course self-trading yourself lah.
Yep, that's correct.
Very good. Okay, just to give the viewers a better view, okay, so what do you do before you discovered trading? What do you do before this?
So before this, I was actually working part-time and studying. And right before I discovered Callisto, I was actually doing my internship. And that is where I had a light bulb lah, where I don't want to listen to anyone. I want to get out of the rat race lah, pretty much. And then how can I afford a comfortable life? Like, how to afford my dream car. And that's where I stumbled upon forex. And then from there, it snowballed lah.
Well, actually, what's your dream car, Shawnee? Very curious.
My dream car is any of the Koenigseggs.
Oh, any of the Koenigsegg's. Wow, the Ageras, the CCIX, the Regera, and all this.
CC180, preferably a Jesco, but I'm not sure if that's allowed in Singapore.
Oh, Jesco is the middle seating car, right? The driver's seat is in the middle, right? Am I wrong?
I think it's two-seater.
It's two-seater.
I don't know, but it's the fastest lah.
Oh, it's the fast. Oh, you love Swedish engineering lah.
Only Koenigsegg lah.
Only
Because
Koenigsegg.
the owner actually quite humble, and then their design and everything is very unique lah. Unless I have a family, then it will be the Gemera.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's a very, very ambitious goal, but of course, and you plan to get to there by trading, yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, so how do you actually find out about trading actually? Like, is there any specific things that you did, or?
I went to search up on different types of trading. There was stocks and everything, and then I found out about forex, and then I've actually heard of forex but haven't actually got into it. So I start researching on forex, and then that's where everything happened until this point.
Okay. So, and previously you said you found out about us through the live stream. Was it on TikTok or YouTube or?
It was, I think, TikTok. It was before when you guys started YouTube, I believe.
Oh, before we started YouTube, so you one of the very early
Yeah.
birds, TikTok. So when did you join us, Shawnee?
In August, but that was when I was a free member lah.
Oh, that was 3
Wasn't like
months
the
ago.
wasn't like a premium or VIP member.
Ah, okay. Wow, the TikTok streams. Wow, TikTok. Okay, wow, a lot have changed, right, Shawnee?
Yeah, the early days a lot has changed.
Oh, okay. So let's say, Shawnee, let's compare your current, let's say, you're doing part-time and studying now, right?
I'm actually studying and then also trying to pursue this trading full time lah.
Oh, so you're not doing any part-time currently lah.
No.
No. Okay, but as of now, which do you think gives you a greater ROI? Do you think studying is the way to go, or do you think trading is the way to go for now?
For now, my main goal is study lah. But
Mm.
study will of course be my safety net next time. If if it happens, if I happen to blow my account, at least I can, start working and then start gaining the capital again and then start trading again.
Okay. How much capital would you need I would say, will you be satisfied with to just focus and pursue trading full time?
That would be about 10K to be living comfortably.
So a 10K capital is enough for you lah. For you to just, okay, you know what? Let me just focus primarily on my trading and just scale the account big.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. As of now, you would say that you have a higher ROI doing your studies, pursuing your studies than trading lah. Because as you said earlier, it serves as your safety net. Correct.
Yep.
So actually, how many hours in a week do you dedicate to trading as compared to your studies?
About the same amount of hours, if not more than I'm studying. Yeah,
Oh,
because in class I'll still be trading and watching streams at the same time lah.
okay. So is there a rough estimate in terms of number of hours do you think you spend on trading per week?
Per week, maybe about about 5 to 7, 8 hours.
Or 5 to 8 hours in a week?
Yeah, both
Ah,
watching live stream, learning, and managing my trades lah,
okay,
and
but
also
Shawnee,
charting, of course.
okay, 5 to 8 hours. Okay, but Shawnee, think about this, you spend 8 hours every single week, right, to do your trading, to focus on charting. Imagine this, right, with 8 hours per week, you have already managed to 20x your capital. Imagine you spend, let's say, you double the amount of time spent on charting. Then wouldn't it be like 40xing your capital, 60xing your capital, in a way?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, and
Pretty
I
much.
would dare say you can afford to spend 16 to 24 hours in a week trading, right? That's like 1 out of 7
Yep.
of your time. Yeah. So since you have already familiar with this process, since you're already familiar with the idea behind trading or the necessary actions and steps you take behind trading, why not just double down or triple down in it, and you can watch your process and your growth just exponentially grow lah. You understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah, but there's still also like external things I need to do lah. Like for example, there's family days, and then of course I'm from a certain school that has a lot of work to do, especially after school. So that's also another factor that I have to factor in lah.
Okay. Speaking about your journey, speaking about how you need to manage and cope with your family and everything, what was your journey trading? Alright, what was your trading journey like actually? How do you manage your 20x account? Like, how do you start off trading, and what is the biggest challenge you face while trading? What's your journey like?
Oh, my journey was actually I started off watching YouTube videos, and I guess it's same as most people with watching our favorite profitable trader. And then I start watching Callisto, of course, and then start learning other concepts lah. Like I try to learn ICT and still am now. And then of course the WCR. So I actually paid for a mentor initially, which was recommended by a friend. And the mentor was pretty shit, and it's not cheap. It's 140, 150. And he only gave signal and did not teach lah. So essentially he's just giving you the fish instead of teaching you how to fish. So I didn't learn jack shit. And then after that first month, I just got out lah. Then luckily I stumbled upon Callisto, and plus you guys give and teach the fish what teach how to fish and how and give the fish at the same time. So which is really good lah. So I get to learn and also earn at the same time.
Okay, is there
Yeah.
any
And
particular thing you learn from us?
life of a trader, and also of course psychology is one major part which I did not know. Of course technicals are also necessary. So I learned psychology kind of the hard way, which also made me realize something like because previously the mentor did not tell me anything about psychology. So each time I enter a trade, I panic when it's in drawdown, And then in Chinese saying lah, like 输少是赢.
Mm.
I keep having that mentality until my account went to really low lah, actually. Yeah, I busted that my first account from over trading also.
Oh, do you mind going into more detail onto what happened so we can better understand? Because I know that there are many other traders that started off from the same starting line as you. So we mind going more in depth in your trading journey as to okay, what exactly happened over here? How do you lose your money? How do you bounce back, so and so forth?
Okay, so how I lost my money was from over trading, where okay, I took my mentor signal and then he told me to layer. So I did layer while also taking Callisto signal. So I overtrade until where the drawdown was so heavy that my account actually blew lah.
Mm.
So that's one thing that I keep taking note of, not to overtrade, not to, have so much drawdowns. And then of course lah, all these are under risk management.
And how do you manage to bounce back from that?
Bounce back from that, so this is sort of the hard way of learning lah. So I risk manage a bit by a bit, and then of course start a new account. Then how do I say this? Risk management lah, especially is very important. And then learn how to calculate your risk percentage, which I'm risking like 1 to 3% right now. Yeah.
Okay, 1 to 3%. So do you still follow your previous mentor, or just
No, definitely not.
definitely not? So what made you choose Callisto over that said mentor?
Cause Callisto, they teach everything for free, and then I find their strategy is more profitable. Yeah. And then you guys also teach both retail and also abstract concepts like ICT. Yeah. So you guys are teaching pretty much everything, and somehow it's for free. Yeah. So I learned most of my trading knowledge from you guys.
Okay, okay. So, is it accurate to say that most of the knowledge, most of the profits you experience today is mostly because of you attending, or rather being in the Callisto channel, of you attending the live stream?
Yep, of course.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, what was the most helpful one? Was it the live streams? Was it the signals, so and so forth? Which one do you think was the most helpful? That came from us to benefit your journey.
Oh, easily the live streams. Because you guys are constantly teaching like how to trade. So instead of giving the fish, yeah, you guys are teaching how to fish.
What's your favorite moment of the live stream actually?
Trading related, of course, the so-called creation of the WCR.
Oh, the creation.
Yeah, that was the most memorable when you first introduced the WCR to us, the 3 criteria that is needed. And of course, Thomas live streams on Zoom. It was very useful into introduction into ICT.
Okay, what about Thomas actually? Is there anything about Thomas that you love in particular for his VIP streams?
The psychology, that's one. Another one will be learning the ICT, order flow, order blocks, PDA matrix, all that whole nine. One thing about him that I really like his mentality is he take quality trades instead of forcing trades, where quality trades will be really high probability instead of forcing trades where the probability will be lower and then you might risk losing the trade.
Okay, so do you apply Thomas's strategy in any of your trading?
Not yet, but I try to, and try to also incorporate into the WCR lah, especially with the higher time frame analysis.
Your favorite is the WCL lah, I know.
Yeah,
Yeah, because very simple to understand, easy to utilize, easy to identify lah.
yeah, very profitable also.
Okay, very good. Okay, for those of you who do not know what, or rather who Thomas is our ICT trader that specializes in all the ICT concepts like the unicorn strat, the power of three, fair value gap, so and so forth lah. Okay, but yes, very good, Shawnee. Very, very good. Okay, so Shawnee, now, right, you've mentioned that, okay, you managed to 10x your account from a very small starting capital size of $100. Okay, so what was your biggest payout? What was the biggest payout that you actually had?
Biggest payout I actually had was I think 200 plus because I did not want to withdraw too much. Yeah, I wanted to compound my account.
You made $200 from a $100 starting capital over how many days?
I think in a month.
In a month? Oh, okay. You managed to withdraw double of your original capital in one single month.
Yeah,
Wow, amazing. I mean, not many people can do that. And how much was there left in your account actually after the
I
withdrawal?
think about 100 plus, 200 plus. I can't remember. It was a while back.
Wow. Okay, so you are essentially trading with a risk-free capital.
Yeah,
Okay, that's amazing. Very, very good job, Shawnee. And you are a student.
student.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now Shawnee, just to give the audience a better perspective or a better view on how you actually went through a trading journey. Okay, at any point of time, have you ever felt like quitting trading or giving up in general?
Definitely not. Definitely not. Yeah.
Okay, like what actually caused you, or rather, what actually made you to want to continue trading? What actually caused you to be so focused in trading? Is there any reason?
So one thing is to escape the rat race, not working under anyone, having a luxurious life, and then being able to afford luxurious things for myself and my family. Yeah.
So it's the passion and the drive to bring you out of, I would say, what most people are having right now, right? Just to
Yes.
be break into the upper echelons of society.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean that's a very, very good goal, and you want to do it for a family as well. Very, very nice. Okay, that's what keeps you going and going and going. Okay, so very, very nice. Okay, very good. So essentially, your main focus and your main driving force was, I would say, your family, I presume.
Yeah, because I was the same as you, like middle class family. So I want to work my way up to a point where I can afford whatever they want. For example, a luxurious bag, a really expensive watch at like maybe it will feel like nothing to me lah, pretty much. Yeah, with that amount of money, like it will feel like nothing lah. For example, a 10K watch, it will feel like nothing to me, you know.
Okay, is your family supportive of your decision? Does your family know you're trading?
I think my mom and my aunt knows. Yeah, my dad doesn't know.
Or is
Yeah,
it
but they
you?
are really supportive lah.
Okay, is your dad supportive? Like, do you think he'll be supportive?
I'm not too sure because it's kind of iffy lah, iffy. It's kind of iffy.
Oh, no worries. I mean, it's standard lah, right? When our parents tends to be a little bit more conservative when it comes to the aspect of trading lah.
Yeah, especially with the more old-fashioned mindset in a way.
Okay, what is
Yeah,
one advice will you give to individuals that are similar to you, in a similar situation to you, whereby they're still a student and they're still living with their parents? I assume you are still living with your parents, right? Yeah.
yep.
What is one advice will you give to them, right? When it comes to, let's say they want to start off
Um,
trading, but their parents don't really know, and they don't really know they want to get started trading or not.
just keep it a secret first, and then just devour whatever trading knowledge that you have. And then once you're confident, you just get into trading. And then always remember there's also psychology instead of all the technicals.
Okay, so just get good at trading, or get good at trading, sorry. So just get good at technicals, get good at fundamentals, brush up on all these hard skills first, and once that is done, you then settle towards working more of having a good emotional control, psychological control, and a mindset lah, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So okay, speaking on the topic of having a good psychological control, having a good mindset, do you ever feel that trading has a lot of luck involved?
A little bit, but not a lot. Yeah. Because essentially you're still using your technicals to see where the market is going, react against what the market is showing you. And luck all comes down to probably, for example, news, and then maybe it goes your way. Then maybe you're lucky lah.
So you are saying that if you trade purely based off technicals and some fundamentals, there's not a lot of luck involved. But if you're trading along with news, you then need some luck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you think luck has a big part to play in your trading journey to get to where you
Definitely
are
not
today?
lah.
Sorry?
Definitely not. Definitely not a big part.
So you say you 20xing your account is purely based off your skill lah, that you have learned.
Yeah.
Okay, that's well done. I mean, yes, that's really respected. Right, I respect that. Okay, yes, of course. Right, with that, of course, it might involve a little bit of luck, but mostly it all boils down to the skills. Because if you don't execute any strategy correctly, you wouldn't be where you are today lah. Yes. So speaking on the topic of your trading journey, as to you are able to multiply your account over a short period of time, right? Okay, I won't say a short period of time, over 3 months, because you joined back in August. Okay. What were your goals in the beginning, and how did that change after you took the payout and you managed to multiply your account by 20x? Is there any difference to your goal?
A slight difference, more of a addition lah actually. So initially I was trying to consume as much knowledge as I can, for trading. Now I still am, like consuming ICT concepts and then learning about fundamentals. So that is still one of my goal right now. And an additional goal will be reaching to 10K capital, which next time will be maybe 50K and then will be 100K. Yeah, that goal will just keep growing lah.
Okay. Are there any actions that you're taking right now in order to get that goal? Because understand to get to 10K where you are right now, you need to 5x your capital, right? So is there any actions you're taking?
So of course attending live streams, either yours or Thomas. Studying more up on the technicals. So this will be the two major ones lah.
Just by
Yeah.
attending the live streams and brushing up the technical knowledge lah.
Yeah. So knowledge is more important lah to me.
Why would you say so though?
Because that knowledge, no one can take it away from you, number one. Number two, with that knowledge, you can trade yourself. You don't need to rely on like signals and stuff. So, for example, today I took a Euro odd, I believe, a Euro odd short. Yeah, so that was not based on signal, that was based on myself. So you can actually do it yourself lah, instead of like relying on signals and everything.
Okay, so you're
Yeah.
just using or rather utilizing the skills that were taught by Callisto and you implement it yourself and caught the Euro trade.
Yep.
Wow, very well done, Shawnee. Very good. So how much do you profit from the Euro trade, bro?
Let me check. I've been focusing on my funded lah. So
Okay.
it's about 200-300.
200-300. Oh, okay, that's quite
Yeah.
decent. Over a span of
1 day.
1 day, $200-300 in one single day, right? And
Yeah.
you're a student right now.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing, bro. Okay, very good job. And this was a signal that you took and identified yourself.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, good. Okay, right. So, okay. So, okay, now just to talk a little bit more on your profits and about money, right? You managed to 20x your account from $100 to 2K, right? Has your life changed in any other form? I mean, considering that you're a student right now, you don't really have much capital to begin with, okay? Now you've made an additional like 2 grand. Okay, has your life changed in any form, like be it to your studies, be it to the student?
Actually, not really. Just a little more things to do and a little more work to do, which is like trading lah, on top of my schoolwork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just gonna keep on the grind.
Yeah, I've been like going to school earlier than before, just to like look at the charts and everything. Yeah, before my class starts.
How long do you spend looking at the charts before you go for your class? Actually,
About 20 to 30 minutes.
20-30 minutes every single day before you go for your lesson.
Yeah.
And on top of that, you're also attending the live streams for both the London and New York.
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. And I understand that you've drawn $1,000 right from your account already. Do you do anything with the money? Do you buy yourself something nice? Do you treat yourself something nice? Or
Not really. I just save it up and then partially a part of that money is used to buy the funded account.
oh, you bought a funded account with the profits that you made.
Yep,
So basically, you got a funded account in a way for free.
in a way.
In a way.
Or a huge discount.
A huge discount. Very good. Very well done. Okay, wow. Okay, good. Okay, so Shawnee, okay, we're getting towards the end of the interview already, right? So, okay, I hope you can share with the audience your truest understanding and feelings with regards to these matters, lah. Right? So I'm going to end this interview with 2 very important questions. Okay, so number 1, let's just say there is a complete beginner watching you right now. What will you say to them?
Wow. Find a group of friends or like-minded individuals that are also as dedicated or as hungry as you are. It will make things much easier. And then you can share your ideas. If one person is wrong, and then another person will start correcting you. If you guys are studying on the same technicals, then psychology is very important. That is a very major thing that no one or not a lot of traders will tell you. Yeah.
Okay, so basically just find like-minded individuals to hang out around with, to trade together, and from there, okay, just help one another out, and just from there, just fly and soar.
Yep.
Okay. Are you currently in any friend group that is trading? Have any like-minded individuals together with you doing this journey?
Actually, strangely enough, it's quite recent lah. So group of four of us, I believe. Yeah. four of us like-minded individuals, and then we share ideas, we share our traits, and then we be happy for each other lah when we win.
Okay, very good. So all of you are profitable lah.
Somewhat lah,
Somewhat. Okay, very good lah. I mean, you all
somewhat if
share
not
ideas around, bounce
half lah.
around. I mean,
Yeah.
the fact that you managed 20x your account, they definitely should be able to make some money lah. Okay, right. Okay, good. So Shawnee, so one last question. Okay, so I understand you've been with us for the past 3 to 3.5 months already. Okay, so how was our process, okay, or rather, how was our channel structured so that you could achieve the results that you got by 20xing your account?
How was it structured lah? I mean, it's structured pretty well, always educational, and that is one major factor lah. It's always educational, always learning new things. At first, for example, at first I learned the WCR, and then there was a fundamental that you thought I remember, that where JPY is the one and only, I think, bank that will intervene, and then other banks will not intervene. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, that's one thing that you thought.
Yes.
Yeah. So the structure is pretty good lah. It's educational, which I like lah. I like lah.
So basically, from you attending live streams, you feel the live streams are very educational, very informative, and every single live stream you gain new value, new knowledge from it lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.